What? Bunch of babies! You think you eat pasta? We eat pasta! Rainbow pasta, baby! Why? Because we got unicorns in our bellies, and we gotta feed them right! This is how unicorns clean their plate, baby. Like absolute bosses. What? Bunch of babies! You think you eat pasta? We eat pasta! Rainbow pasta! Why? Because we got... Why? Because we want unicorns in our belly! That's why! What? Bunch of babies!
I started making myself a sandwich for lunch, a quick sandwich for lunch, and S&M said, "Daddy, you're making an inside-out sandwich." And it does kind of look like, if I start this way, that I'm going to make an inside-out sandwich. Maybe we started a new trend. There's regular sandwich, there's open-face sandwich, and now there's inside-out sandwich, where everything is on the outside.